In this video, we are going to see alternative words for very hot. When it is very hot, some don't like to go anywhere outside. They want to keep themselves inside the house or somewhere in and they protect themselves. But many are having an habit of going outside, whether it is very hot or chill or warm. They go outside anytime. Now let us see some alternatives. The first one is a burning. For an example, Rose get up late in the morning and get ready late and go to the kitchen late. She wants to prepare both breakfast and lunch within 1 hour and she does everything very fast. As she is very fast, she keeps saying, it is burning, it is burning. And she doesn't know to chill out and slow down when she does some work. And she never listens to anybody. It's burning means it's very hot. And the next one is scorching. For an example, farmers work hard from morning to evening in the lands. Whether it is summer or winter, they don't say it's scorching in the afternoon for some time and we need a rest. In fact, they enjoy a lot. Sometimes they sing a song together and they work together. They have a long practice of doing this and they are not at all affected by the climatic changes. Scorching means it's very hot. And the next one is beatdown. It's a phrasal verb. Native English speakers, they use phrasal verbs a lot. For an example, when the sun is beating down, it is not possible for us to go to even the nearby shops. Many ask, how can I go out when the sun is beating down like this? So beating down means it's very hot. And the next one is sizzling. For an example, last week we went to beach with our family members around 12 o'clock. It was very hot. We were not able to land down anywhere, but we did not expect this. It is not summer, but it was sizzling. At the same time, we did not want to get back home. We want to have some nice time. So we went to the nearby restaurant and we had a nice time for 2 hours. All of a sudden, there were a cloud over and it started drizzling. We were all happy and we went back to the beach and had a nice time till evening. It was sizzling means it was very hot. And the next one is boiling. It was always boiling in the open type playgrounds. But players don't want to stop the game, whether it is very hot or chill, whatever. Their intention is to play and continue and finish up the game. Only when there is a rain, they cancel the game. It's boiling means it's very hot. And the next one is scalding. For an example, it is scalding from morning 12 to 4, always. That means it's very hot. And the next one is blistering. It is always blistering in South India, as it is a hot region. It is blistering means it's very hot. Keep listening to it, keep doing practice, say it louder until you get it in your permanent memory.